Place one knee down on a bench with the barbell on the same side of your body. Lift your opposite leg off the ground, squeeze your glutes, and draw your toes towards the ground. Keep your leg in a straight line. Your wrists will be directly underneath your shoulders. Pinch your shoulder blades back and down away from your ears. Draw your belly button in towards your spine and squeeze your glutes. Carefully grab the weight off the ground. Keep the bar as level as possible, rowing up and squeezing your back muscles tight. The rest of your body should be still when you row, and things should be level. Return the weight to the starting position under control and repeat for a set number of repetitions before switching sides. Take your time switching sides of the body.